The day when we were told that we will have a Western project, I was thinking what could be done on the way home. When I came across a mechanic store, mechanic shop where the tires were to the side that could be thrown away.
Thinking the idea, we sat in a group deciding what to do with the tires. So we got the idea that we can make the seating for the tandem in the campus.
It is called man seat. We developed a seating arrangement which can be made by using formulated waste material which we can use.
Waste cloths and a magnet tank which is found in the college and green and white paints. That's it.
So what can it be?
It's an Asian paint. It's an iron.
Outer cover for the cushion.
Yeah, it is a base and below cover. So we actually thought of doing this 3-layer, but we actually did it on 2 layers. The last layer we're supposed to finish it. Then we actually fixed pipes to this used stuff. So we got the stuff from the house again, and we used pipes to fix it with LED lamps.
This is a room heater, terracotta room heater, and materials used are very easily available. Bricks, the pots, sand and candle, and mastic, and inside we fix it with a screw.
Screw and a little bit of clay to let it stand. So this basically works like the candle heats the screw, as you guys can see, and the screw will heat the air inside this. Slowly the pot will also get heated and it will heat the room, the air inside the room. That's how the room will get heated.
So as is eco-friendly, cheap materials are also used. It is utility and decorative also. No electricity is also needed for this.
Generally, room heater costs way too much, and people cannot afford it. So we are trying to give them like a product where they can afford and make it by themselves.
Though it takes a little time to heat this up because we're using a small candle, but then normally people normally don't use candles and mostly use diyas because diyas are more available.
If we we make a fire with sticks or wood, that can also be. That's more practical.
Yes, ma'am, that will also work. Ma'am, but the thing is, we have a pot on beneath it, right? So the smoke won't escape. It's fine. Good afternoon, Rashmi and Rashmi. So we have found few old jeans. So thought of doing something like we thought of planting it. So honestly, this is the second attempt.
So what was that failed there?
So first we thought of putting a base, and then we thought of build this model. But then the cement would fall off from the sides of the legs.
The product is the material we have used for this is waste beams, some cement, a layer of sand, and a pipe. With some soil and sapling we are just in a plant.
Where's the pipe though?
This is a pipe.
You connect it to
That is
the...
correct. That is correct. It is fixed in the concrete.
But won't the jeans soak up the excess water?
No, actually it will go
Because it has
cement
cement around
around it. This cement won't die.
It's actually a
This is
dome.
like half dome.
Oh,
Inside the.
This is all cement.
and it's like a
This is sand.
That's
What
the
the
pot
fuck?
is still used.
The pot. So it won't get affected due to the water.
So first we have filled a mud here, till here, and then we've mixed conker and mud, little amount of water. We've placed the entire mixture inside the jeans so that it gets dried and it gets strong. We let it go we left it for 2 days. We also watered it for